5 interesting facts about duck.
Number 1. Ducks are omnivorous and will eat grass, aquatic plants, insects, seeds, fruit, fish, crustaceans and other types of food. Number 2. Ducks are outgoing, social animals who feel most at ease when they are in a larger group of other ducks. Number 3. All ducks have highly waterproof feathers. A duck's feathers are so waterproof that even when the duck dives underwater, the downy underlayer of feathers right next to the skin will stay completely dry. Number 4. Ducks can live up to 20 years, depending on the species and if well cared for. Number 5. Ducks can become very sad and lonely if they do not have companions of their own species. While ducks can enjoy human company,